Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review on the new Vanish, I think that's how you say it, Vanish Seamless Foundation by Hourglass. Now a couple of years ago I did pick up the Hourglass stick. This was like hyped up. A lot of people love this product. I do feel like it was a nice product. I had it for about a year or two, I think so. So it's probably expired, but I'm still gonna use it. So anywho, this color is in golden honey, and golden almond, and I really like this foundation. I really did. It was a little bit on the slippery side when I used to put it on, but the coverage was really nice. It just felt really luxe on my skin. So I was so excited when they came out with the liquid, because I prefer a liquid foundation over a stick foundation. That's just my taste. I picked out the same exact color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch one side of the foundation and one side with the stick to see if they are the same color, because I got the same color. I got this from Sephora. It was about $59. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this color. Okay, that's the foundation part. Let's do the stick. I just want to make sure that they are the same color or around the same color. So they honestly look like the same color, so I know this color will work for me. Now this color do have a lot of gold undertone, like that's why it's called golden almond. Now this foundation does have like a goldy yellow undertone, and I really like that because the spring is coming, girl, and I want to look really golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and take just a brush, something that I normally use. Okay, I'm just gonna take a brush like that. I'm not like a neutral type of undertone type of girl. I like my foundation to look really golden because I like my skin to look really like gold. If you get what I'm saying. So anywho, here's the foundation. It's really thick, but that's kind of normal for higher end foundations. It's like really thick. It does have like this smell to it. I don't know what it smells like. And this is supposed to be a seamless foundation, so we're gonna see. So far, I really love the way it's blending in, and I really love the color of it. You want to make sure that you spend time blending this foundation out, because if you don't blend it right, it's not going to look right. So it kind of feels like my Chanel foundation. You have to make sure you blend it out. It don't feel heavy on my face at all, so that's a good thing. It do feel like a little bit more of a mattifying finish. It's definitely not a dewy finish. I feel like it's a mattifying finish. Comment below, do you prefer? I still feel like I have a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit more coverage up here. My forehead is my problem area, guys. But okay, do you guys prefer drugstore foundation, like the consistency, or do you prefer like a very high-end luxe foundation? Me personally, I like them both. But I do feel like this is really super coverage. I'm gonna go down on my neck a little bit, just a little bit. Now this is kind of expensive. This is like $54 to $59. So that's pretty expensive. So you want to make sure you really like this foundation. I don't recommend that you just go in the store and buy it. I think you should just get a sample of it first. That's the good thing about higher end makeup, is you can go and get like a sample of it before you buy it. You can get like a couple of samples before you like commit to it. Okay, so I do feel like it's blended in really well. I really like the color, guys. You know I really love a golden undertone. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some new concealer as well. This concealer is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Overachiever concealer. I heard so many people talking about this concealer. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. This was about $34, I think, 30 something dollars. So it's not a cheap concealer. The color that I got was peanut butter, and it comes like this. And I want to know, like, I heard so many people talk about it. It comes with like this little silver thing, I guess, to help you with like the puffiness of your eye. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but we're gonna try it out and see. I'm not gonna use a lot because people were saying that a little go a long way, so I'm not gonna really use a lot. I kind of pushed it out on my hand first, and then I put it there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this beauty blender. I'm not gonna wet it, y'all, because I don't really like wet beauty blenders. So I'm gonna try to buff it in and see how it looks. I need to hold my mirror right here so I can see. Okay. And I use Huda Beauty products in the past, and her products are very, very, very thick. So I'm thinking her concealer is going to be thick as well, because her foundation is like really, really thick. Like, ooh, like the thickest foundation I ever used in my life. But it's not a bad foundation. It's just a little bit harder to work with. Oh my gosh, this concealer is lit. Oh my gosh, that's super full coverage. Ooh, you guys know how I feel about concealer. Wow, that concealer looks good. I really love reviewing like really affordable products, but I do love my high-end products. I don't come and review a lot of them, but trust me, honey, I have them. I have all different type of makeup. I have Chanel, Tom Ford, Huda, Hourglass. This is an amazing, amazing color, and it's working so well with the foundation. It's a very heavy concealer, so you don't want to use too much, but it's not creasing. It's looking really, really good, y'all. It's looking really, really good. A little go a long way. Okay, so now the concealer is on, and I really like the way the concealer look. I could have kind of went up a shade, but I kind of like that. So anywho, I'm gonna take her powder. This is the Huda Beauty powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. I did have another color. I think it was called Canifa or something like that, but I lost it. I don't know what happened to it. I went on vacation and I just couldn't find it anymore. So I'm gonna take Blondie. I picked up Blondie because it was a little lighter, and I think Makeup Shayla used Blondie, and she's like my same complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Blondie underneath my eye. And Lyra, the girl, like the Instagram girl, Lyra, she used Blondie too. And Blondie, yeah, it's called Blondie. And I really like the way her makeup be looking as well. I liked the color Canifa as well. It was really pretty. I know I'm not saying that right, but it was really pretty. I probably would buy it again. Like if I would have had on my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, my everyday makeup, it's like I can't feel it. With this, I feel like super beat. I look super beat as well. Now with this like type of makeup, I'll probably wear it if I'm going out somewhere and I'm going to be taking some cute pictures and I want my makeup to last all day. I'll probably wear something like this. But on like a everyday, I'm just going to the shop and it really, like, I just want to look decent, I'll probably wear like my drugstore foundations and powders and stuff like that. So I'm just pushing the product in to the skin. Just pushing it in, girl. I think I'm going to go ahead and bronze. I'm going to use my Malani powder. I know I should have used a higher end powder, bronzing powder, but I really like this, okay? Sometimes you just like what you like. You just like what you like. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. I didn't cream contour because this foundation and this concealer is so thick. If I would have cream contour too, that would have just made me feel like so like heavy. And I hate my makeup to feel too heavy. I really enjoy reviewing products like this, you guys. That's why I'm always doing it. Let me know if you guys enjoy it as well. Make sure if you do like these type of videos, you like, comment, or subscribe. If you don't like to comment, just like the video. If you like it, if you don't, I understand. But that give YouTube like the heads up that I exist, because a lot of people don't even know I exist, y'all. So that's why my subscribers is kind of like going up slowly. I do feel like I record great videos and great quality, but I don't think people know I exist. So if you could, please like the video. If we can get 1,000 likes on this video, I know y'all mess with me. Only if you like the video. So anywho, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes. This is so clean. Like, this looks so, oh, this look really good. This look really good. I'm just using my new CoverGirl mascara. Now, I do not like to spend a lot of money on mascara. I don't know why, you guys. The drugstore mascara is just as good as Sephora or any other higher end mascara, okay? Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I really like the way my makeup look. I feel like I look super flawless. So I do like this makeup. I definitely will wear this makeup if I'm going to somewhere super fancy. This is like not an everyday makeup routine, but I review so much like drugstore products. I wanted to come and show you guys some of the more expensive, because some girls like really, you know, bougie type of makeup. A little bit more expensive makeup. Some girls like really like luxe makeup. So I just wanted to come and show you guys. And Hourglass is definitely a luxe type of makeup. I am really girl, I got to just fix my wig. I really like the way this foundation look, and I love the way this concealer look. I love everything about this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you rate, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.